You know how some black women don't know how to properly manage their locks in colder climates? Well, I teach women how to style, care, and rock their locks in an economic way and still look classy. That's what Monalicious Locks stands for.
Someone once asked me, why Sisterlocks? I looked her in the face and said, locks are my definition of freedom. There are no bad hair days with Sisterlocks. It's convenient, elegant, easy to style, requires little maintenance, neat, and easy to wash. Best of all, with Sisterlocks, you would have no need for chemical hair products at all. Just like a beautiful butterfly in the woods, Sisterlocks gives me hair freedom and wild growth. Choose your freedom today.